Hi guys, this is Ava from Bay Harbor Med Spa, and as I said today, I am talking about children. So this message is for Kathy, and Kathy is asking the following. She states that she has a 12-year-old daughter, and she's breaking out on her forehead, and that the child has some pus pimples or comedons on the forehead, and she's wondering if my acne solution would be suitable for her daughter. And so the answer, first of all, is yes. And she also asked whether my drying lotion for pimples would be suitable. So the answer is yes to that too. However, please, Kathy, understand this, and this is not only for Kathy, this is for any mother or father or sister out there that takes care of a young teenager, young child. The reason I make an acne product line is not because I want to become a millionaire, because I will never become a millionaire from doing what I'm doing. It is because I made a composition of products, of items that work in conjunction if you use them one on one. I, as you know, for 35 years I treat human skin, and I do acne treatments and facial, etc., and laser and so forth and so forth. And I formulated these products from my experience, from treating clients and patients in my clinic, and giving them products and making suggestions. And then I formulated something. So when I tell you guys, buy the acne treatment line, it's because you have to use it in a sequence. You have to use it as a treatment. It's the same way, and I think you can relate to it. If I tell you brush your teeth, is it enough for you to have only a toothbrush? No. Okay, you can brush with a toothbrush, but you need a toothpaste, you need mouthwash or mouth rinse, you need a glass, you need water, you might need a water pick, you might need a dental floss to keep your teeth clean. Am I right? So, and this only went into cleaning your teeth. Did you see how many things I mentioned? But it's logical. It's like you get up in the morning, you rinse your mouth with mouth rinse, kill all the germs. You take a toothbrush, you make it wet, you put the toothpaste on it, you brush your teeth, then you rinse your mouth out with water in a glass. Then you take the water pick, make sure there's nothing in between your teeth. And you repeat that in the afternoon or in the evening, in particular after you eat, and then you use a dental floss. That's how it's done for your teeth. Well, that's the same thing how it's done for your face. So I hope that I gave you a good parallel so you can understand why when I say buy the whole treatment line, it's not because I'm trying to become rich and sell you and oversell you. It's because you need it. And why you need it is this. You need a cleanser. You need to clean your face with it. You need a toner. You need to wipe the face and prepare the face. So the cleanser will take all the dirt from the surface of the skin, and you wash it off with a washcloth, right? Then you take the washcloth, you rinse it, and you wipe your face nearly dry. Then you take a toner on a piece of cotton, and you wipe your face with the toner. Why a toner? Because the toner balances the pH of the skin. So it prepares the skin not to be too oily, not to be too dry. Because when you clean with a cleanser, the tendency will be the cleanser will dry the skin. But you don't want the skin to be dry, because if the skin is too dry, the skin can then not absorb whatever you put it on the skin. Whatever treatment, lotion, medication, cream, whatever. So you want to prepare the skin not to be up here, not to be down here, just here, neutral. This is why you use a toner. So after you use the toner, now the skin is here, balanced. Now you will apply. If it's in at night, so you did the cleanser, you did the toner, it's at night, then you will take the pimple lotion, the drying lotion, you will shake it well, and you will apply it all over the face where you have pimples, right? And then you will go to sleep. In the morning, you will get up, you'll wash your face quickly, then you wipe with a toner and you will put a moisturizer on. Why a moisturizer? Because the moisturizer is specifically made for oily acne skin. It has tea tree, it has antiseptic, antibacterial ingredients in there. It's water-based, but it will keep the skin. Two things it will do. It will keep the skin moist, so the skin is not dry, it's not overworking. And by keeping it moist, the body will not send messages to the skin, dry, 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 and overproduce oil. So you are actually allowing the skin to rest and not stimulating the skin by bringing more oil to the surface. So you do cleanser, toner, moisturizer, right? And you understand now why. Then twice a week, you do clean the face with the cleanser, and then you take the microdermabrasion scrub, which is in that line. Why? Because the microdermabrasion scrub, why is microdermabrasion scrub better than the almond scrub or anything else? I'll tell you why. All the other scrubs out there are fantastic if you want to have something very superficial. Okay. If you want something to work, you use the microdermabrasion scrub. Why? Because the particles, it says micro, small. The particles of the crystals are very small, but the particles of the crystals are also very hard. So they are small and hard, which means that they are able to go and penetrate into the little openings, into the little pores of the skin. And by abrading, by doing in circular motion, the crystal is hard, so it will not dissolve, it will not break, it will not flake. So it will go, it will clean, it will abrade the top surface, the dust, the oil, whatever is on the face. Then you rinse the face, you wash it off, and then you take the toner, you wipe it, and then you put, if it's at night, you put a drying lotion on the pimples, and you put a moisturizer on your face. This is why you need to use the whole line and not just one product. Because if you use only drying lotion, what you will do is actually you will dry the pimples, it will be scaly, but you are not getting rid of the pimple, you're just drying the surface of the skin, because nothing can go in, because you didn't exfoliate, you didn't open the skin, you're not allowing the pus, the oil to come to the surface. It's clogged, and then you're putting the drying lotion, which will dry it out even more. Do you understand now why you can't use only drying lotion, or you shouldn't? So this is what you need to get. You need to get the oily acne product line, you need to get the full line, you need to follow the instructions, and trust me, it works. If you follow the instructions, it will clean, it will improve. I'm not saying it will get rid of the acne completely, because it won't. Because 12 years, that's when a girl starts puberty now, and there are hormonal changes. However, you will help to keep the skin clean, you will help to keep the skin not congested, you will uncongest the skin. And of course, as she grows, and if you have the ability, periodically you can take her for an acne facial wherever you are, to clean, to extract everything that is on the skin. However, on a daily basis, she should be using the full acne line just the way I described it. So I hope it makes sense to you guys, and thank you for listening, thank you for asking, and until next time, ciao guys, bye Eva.